Want to turn AI into a real paycheck? Not someday. Today. The gap between those who use AI and those who don't is widening every single day, and your goal is to be on the right side of that divide. Stick around for the end because I'll drop a powerful copy-paste master prompt you can use to build a sellable digital product or a complete client service package in under an hour. Hey, welcome to Future AI. Forget the hype and the headlines for a moment. Let's talk about real, tangible income. In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down 8 distinct, actionable strategies that people in the US, Canada, and the UK are using to generate consistent money with AI right now. We'll cover everything from quick cash freelance gigs to building long-term, scalable AI-powered businesses. These aren't just theories. These are blueprints you can start using this afternoon. First up, the fastest path to cash, offering AI-assisted freelance services. The key here is to stop thinking like a generalist and start acting like an AI specialist. Businesses don't just want a blog post, they want a blog post that's SEO optimized by AI analysis. They don't just want a video, they want 10 short-form clips generated from that video in minutes. They're paying for outcomes supercharged by technology. More leads, better sales copy, hyper-efficient video editing, or automated chatbot flows that convert visitors 24/7. You don't need a PhD in machine learning, you just need to demonstrate you can deliver tangible results faster and more effectively than someone who isn't using these tools. Quick path, pick a niche, local restaurants, real estate agents, Shopify stores, then offer a 48-hour AI boost package. 1 ad set, 3 email templates, and a 7-day content plan. Pitch it on LinkedIn, Upwork, or in local Facebook groups. Use real screenshots of AI outputs as proof of what you can deliver. Here's a prompt to get you started. Next, let's talk about building assets. Create once, sell forever with digital products. This is where you escape the time for money trap. People are desperate for shortcuts. They will gladly pay for well-crafted templates, detailed swipe files, niche micro-courses, and actionable checklists. The secret is hyper-specificity. Don't sell social media templates. Sell 30 days of AI-generated Instagram reel hooks for realtors. Don't sell a business plan. Sell a ChatGPT-powered business plan prompt pack for SaaS startups. Package your solution as a PDF, a Notion template, or a simple video guide. Market it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own Shopify store. The math is beautiful. 1 sale a day at just $27 nets you over $800 a month in nearly passive income. Once you have a winner, you can scale aggressively with targeted ads and affiliate partnerships. Copy-paste this prompt to brainstorm your own. For the biggest long-term upside, consider building a tiny automated AI business. This is simpler than it sounds. Think of it as a productized service. Instead of you manually doing the work, you build a system that does it. For example, an automated service that scrapes new business listings and sends them a personalized AI-generated marketing idea, or an AI resume rewriting service that takes a PDF, optimizes it for applicant tracking systems, and emails back the improved version. The stack is all no-code. Use a tool like Softar or Card for the front end, connect it to an AI API like OpenAI, automate the workflow with Zapier or Make, and handle recurring payments with Stripe. You're not building Google. You're building a highly specific, automated solution to a single painful problem for a niche audience. Validate fast by cold emailing 20 prospects with a discounted 1-week pilot offer. Use this prompt to validate your business idea. Now let's pivot to a massive opportunity, becoming an AI-powered content creator. Whether it's a YouTube channel, a blog, or a TikTok account, AI can be your ultimate co-pilot. Use it to brainstorm endless video ideas and script entire episodes. Leverage AI video editors like Opus Clip or Descript to turn one long-form video into dozens of social media clips automatically. For bloggers, you can generate detailed outlines, write first drafts, and even create custom images with tools like Midjourney. The key is to use AI as an accelerator, not a replacement for your unique voice. It handles the 80% of grunt work, freeing you up to focus on the 20% that truly matters: your personality, your expertise, and your connection with your audience. Monetization follows through ads, sponsorships, and selling your own digital products. This leads us to a more advanced strategy, building a personal brand around your AI expertise. Instead of just using AI, you teach others how to use it. This is exactly what I'm doing with this channel. You can start a newsletter sharing 1 AI tip a week. Create a small online course teaching how to use ChatGPT for a specific profession, like law or marketing. Build a paid community on a platform like School or Discord, where you offer exclusive prompts and support. By positioning yourself as a trusted guide, you create multiple streams of income: subscriptions, course sales, and affiliate revenue. Your knowledge itself becomes the product. If you've mastered these tools, you can move up the value chain to AI-powered consulting. This isn't about writing copy for a client, it's about redesigning their entire marketing workflow. You'll work with businesses to help them integrate AI into their operations. You might design a custom AI chatbot, build an automated content pipeline, or train their staff on how to use AI tools effectively. This is a high-ticket service. You're not selling hours, you're selling a fundamental business transformation. You can charge project fees in the thousands, or monthly retainers for ongoing strategy and support. Now for a more sophisticated and high-risk, high-reward area, using AI for investing and trading. A word of caution: this is not financial advice, and you should never invest more than you're willing to lose. That said, AI is revolutionizing market analysis. You can use tools to perform real-time sentiment analysis on social media and news to gauge market mood. There are platforms that use machine learning to identify patterns in stock charts that a human eye might miss. For the technically inclined, you can even use AI to help code and backtest your own trading algorithms. This path requires significant learning and carries inherent risks, but it represents the cutting edge of leveraging AI for financial gain. Finally, how do you stay profitable in a field that changes every week? You make learning your primary business activity. The biggest opportunity isn't just mastering today's tools but anticipating tomorrow's. Pay attention to the rise of AI agents, autonomous systems that can complete complex tasks for you. Watch the development of open-source models that you can fine-tune for specific industries. The people who will win in the long run are those who are constantly experimenting and adapting. Dedicate a few hours each week to reading AI newsletters and simply playing with new tools. Your curiosity is your greatest long-term asset. So there you have it. 8 powerful strategies, from the quick cash of freelancing to the long-term potential of AI-driven investing. The key is not to get overwhelmed. Don't try to do all of them at once. Pick one path that excites you the most, just one. Start with one service, one digital product, one piece of content. Get that first client, that first sale, that first subscriber. That's the momentum you need, then you can scale. Before I go, here's the master prompt I promised. Use this to create a full sellable product or client offer quickly. Screenshot it now. Here's the master prompt. If you want all the prompts from this video as a convenient cheat sheet, comment TOOLKIT below, and I'll drop a downloadable link for you. Try one of these strategies today, and tell me what you built or sold in the comments. I'll feature the most inspiring result in a future video. Like, subscribe, and I'll keep feeding you the AI tactics that actually pay the bills.